Flower. The garden is filled with colorful flowers. Fertilizer. I added some fertilizer to the soil to help the plants grow. Soil. The soil in this garden is rich and fertile. Plant. She planted sunflowers in the backyard. Seed. The gardener sowed the seeds of a new variety of roses. Root. The roots of the tree spread deep into the ground. Stem. The flower stem grew tall and strong. Leaf. The leaves on the tree turned yellow in the fall. Bud. The rosebud opened after a week in the sun. Blossom. The apple tree began to blossom in early spring. Vine. The ivy vine crept up the side of the house. Shrub. We planted several shrubs along the fence. Bush. The rose bush produced the most vibrant flowers. Tree. The old oak tree provided plenty of shade on a hot day. Herb. I grow basil and mint herbs in my kitchen garden. Weed. Pulling weeds is a crucial part of garden maintenance. Garden bed. The garden bed was prepared with rich compost. Compost. I make my own compost from kitchen scrap. Pond. The garden has a small pond with koi fish swimming. Fountain. The fountain in the center of the garden creates a relaxing atmosphere. Greenhouse. The plants were thriving inside the greenhouse during the winter. Trellis. The climbing rose was supported by a wooden trellis. Spade. She used a spade to dig holes for planting. Shovel. The shovel is perfect for moving large amounts of soil. Rake. He used a rake to gather the fallen leaves. Wheelbarrow. She filled the wheelbarrow with mulch for the garden beds. Pruning. Pruning the rose bushes helps them grow better. Watering can. The plants look thirsty, so I used the watering can to hydrate them. Hose. I watered the garden with a hose to ensure every plant got enough water. Green thumb. She's known for her green thumb and beautiful garden. Gnome. There's a garden gnome near the flower bed. Mulch. I spread mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture. Bark. The tree's bark was rough and textured. Pest. The aphids were becoming pests, so I applied insecticide. Bloom. The roses will bloom in late spring. Pollinate. Bees help to pollinate the flowers in the garden. Harvest. We harvested the tomatoes once they turned red. Grows. The carrot grows underground, but its leaves are visible above ground. Pruning shears. I used pruning shears to trim the overgrown hedges. Plant pot. The geraniums are in a red plant pot on the porch. Sod. They replaced the old grass with fresh sod in the backyard. Pathway. A cobblestone pathway leads through the rose garden. Fungus. The garden was treated with fungicide to kill the fungal growth. Sunlight. The plants need plenty of sunlight to thrive. Shady. This section of the garden is shady and cool. Climbers. The climbers, like ivy, grow rapidly on the trellis. Flowerbed. We added new flowers to the flowerbed near the fence. Lawnmower. The lawnmower cuts the grass neatly and evenly. Grafting. Grafting the apple tree can help it grow stronger and more productive. Till. They till the soil each year to prepare it for planting.